Hi riders, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RR prepares for a new launch. So make sure to watch the full video. Introducing the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RR from the world-famous action movie series 007. Coming in a 60th anniversary version this year to celebrate the 60th anniversary of 007. British automaker Triumph has been in close cooperation with the new bike in the 007 series that has been in the works for the past few years. In addition to the Scrambler 1200 stunt bike, the company has recently announced that it will be launching a new special model, a limited edition commemorative 007 series, only 60 bikes. From the official Triumph website, we can see that Triumph is preparing to launch a new Scrambler model that commemorates the 007 as a limited edition 60th anniversary edition year, but it has not yet been stated exactly which Triumph model will be used as this limited edition. The bike in the teaser of the 007 series clearly shows off the model of the Speed Triple 1200 RR, which makes people wonder if this retro round light sports bike will be used as a limited edition. Is it 007's 60th anniversary? This time, Triumph speculates that the model will be chosen as the Speed Triple 1200 RS in the teaser poster. They have a high chance of being picked because considering the teaser images released by Triumph, it is clear that this model is quite consistent with the 007 series, with the Speed Triple 1200 RS that Triumph is believed to be announcing. Officially let us know soon for sure. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.